Good day to all of you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Klehan Pulle. I am the CEO of Fintech Consultancies Private Limited, and I've been in the information technology industry for the past 30 years plus. And out of those, the past 10 years I've been spending with Fintech, which I co-founded in 2010. Fintech Consultancies has been a pioneer in introducing Google Cloud Computing to Sri Lanka with the association with our association with Google since 2010, the inception of the company. So a decade ago, we embarked on our journey to introduce cloud computing to Sri Lanka, to the Sri Lankan market. A time when cloud computing was less heard or less adapted, and it was a colossal task to get people on the cloud to even just use email. But this has changed over the years, and now with the sudden challenges, as the changes or the challenges that have emerged with the COVID global epidemic, which has made cloud computing a distinct requirement, a necessity in your day-to-day business lives. So organizations now have less options but to digitize and move to the cloud. So we at Fintech, with our experience over the past decade in providing Google-based digitalization solutions, thought of sharing our experience, which we have gained by serving over 500 plus customers, mainly in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Maldives. So this is going to be a series of sessions, and in today's session, I am going to give you an introduction and share with you why you need to change or digitize. Our program, we will have in our program series, we will have several follow-up sessions, and you will see how you could use digitization, save cost, be more productive, and achieve better results for the organization. And this session will be continued with multiple sessions, which I am going to talk about in up to how you could use digitization in your day-to-day business. So with that, let me now share my screen, and more than seeing me, let me go through this with certain presentations, illustrations that you will like to see. So presenting my screen here, you would see, I hope you can see my screen. Sorry. Let me get on to present my screen. So here I'm sharing my screen here, and let me get on to the presentation. Fantastic. Just a second. Yes, here we go. So let me present. Right. So this today's session is basically the beginning of accelerating your workplace with Google. And my theme is, or my concept is digitizing of everything. And that's where Google, together with FineTech, bring our experience, and we are there to serve you. So when I talk about digitization, digital transformation in the cloud area, it is innovation. And as you know, Google is known for its innovation. You will see more about it in my sessions that you are going to experience. So digitizing of everything. Once again, my name is Klehan Pulle. You can contact me at klehan@fcpl.biz. My contact number is 070 331 222. Fintech Consultancy is the name of our company, as I said earlier. So reimagine the way you work. That's basically what we are talking of. Reimagine the way you work. And organizations have to reimagine the way you work, not only in several ways, not only by just saying, okay, I'm going to digitize, but the way you work, way you collaborate, way you get out of that traditional office room and get out and work with your staff, work with your suppliers, work with your customers, and how close you can be with them, and how you use digital devices. And we as FineTech, together with Google, have that platform set for you. And this is where you can see, even in my illustrated image here, the way you work, way you attempt to address things will all change. And that change is what you have to be prepared to meet the new challenges. So what are these new challenges? We are having changing markets, changing technologies, changing customer needs. So this is basically the challenges that we have and why we need to digitize. That was 2 months ago or 3 months ago. Today we have a new challenge, the global COVID-19 epidemic, which has hit all of us. And that has pushed us to see how we digitize. Because without digitization, we would have never been able to do any of these things that we are doing. So, digitization has become important mainly because of the changing markets, changing technologies, changing customer needs, and now the fourth one is changing environmental behaviors like the COVID-19. So, this is basically why we need to change. Evolution is a fact, and evaluation is something that has happened over the years, and we have all seen this evaluation. Evaluation started in the 14th century when we start the printing press was manufactured or was found. And what came out of that? What came out of that is basically not the printing press, but it was basically education. It was paper, printed stuff, education, knowledge, what just came out of it. And that's the evolution of the printing press. Then in the 17th century, industrialization started. So mass manufacturing, all that started with the machinery coming out. In the 18th century, electricity came out. And then what happened with electricity? We didn't use electricity, but we used the byproducts of electricity, the bulb, the air conditioner, everything. But you're talking computers, everything today is based on electricity. And that was generated. And the byproduct is what we started using. In the 1990s, in the 19th century, came up the aeroplane was discovered. And what happened? People started moving across the globe in business movements, that one world concept. So people started moving around. That's basically what happened. In 1960s, computers came up. And what we started is doing number crunching, putting something, some input and getting output. So that is number crunching that came up in the 1990s. And 2000, what we saw is basically cloud computing coming. So, what does this cloud computing mean? Is it taking your infrastructure from your office environment and putting it on somebody else's infrastructure? Yes, that is the basic of it. But the benefit out of it is not that. The benefit out of cloud computing comes up with things like collaboration, where you are able to collaborate with your co-workers, co-business workers, customers, principals. So that is collaboration, giving you that platform to collaborate. And the data that you have, analyzing that data with high performance computing, analyzing the data and making predictive decisions. And that is where Google's innovation comes in. And that moves into smart assistants, self-driven cars, health monitoring systems, and so on and so on. And something very interesting, maps, geospatial data has become very important. By using geospatial data, you could make predictive analysis, you could make the business decisions. What we all thought is Google Maps is from taking you from A to B or finding a location. No, it has gone beyond that. And in my sessions as to come, I'll do a separate session on geospatial and how you could make predictive analysis using geospatial data, and using your own customer data, how you could make predictive analysis using Google Maps. So that's a separate session. So you look at it, the cloud has made, the next wave of cloud has made so much of things open. And that's where let's talk about it. So all this talking about this has been made possible with Google. And if you look at Google has been innovative. Innovation is always what Google has been doing. In the 1997, when Google came up with a search engine, people wondering what the hell is this search engine when there are so many other search engines. But today, if you look at it, the world's most popular and the most used search engine, what is it's Google. If you ask me what is the second largest search engine in the world, would you ever think of it? It's Google Maps. You always use maps on a daily basis because it's available all over the place. So Google Maps is the second largest search engine. Have you ever thought what the third largest search engine is? Just think about it. YouTube. We have that era of watching television and stuff, we will be moving into YouTube and ultimately you'll be watching YouTube. Today, I'm sure you always use to watch news, watch various information, use YouTube. So this is basically what we need to think of. So that is the third largest search engine in the world. And this goes on. with Android, with Google Play, Google Photos, Gmail, Chrome, Google Drive. So all these have over a billion users using these products. So today, over 9 billion usage of people use different Google applications across the globe. And all this beauty of this is all these products are basically machine learning, 100% machine learning empowered. And what does that mean to you? That is again digitization with innovation. So, what is Google's mission? Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. So, with that, what is FindTech's mission? FindTech together with Google is basically they are to help you to take your data and make it universally accessible across your company to make decisions and improve your business and increase efficiencies. So that's basically what we are going to talk as we go on. So your company, the enterprise technology leader today, are dealing with multiple business priorities. Your company, your business is dealing with multiple business priorities. And going digital, what are the challenges? How do I modernize my current infrastructure with the lowest implementation cost and the lowest disruption? How do I accelerate application innovation? How do I create insights from the data that I have to make decisions? How do I address lines of business challenges? And that's again something that we all need to think of. How do I transform how my teams work? The traditional way of meeting rooms, inside office meeting rooms, how do I get out of that? How do I work together? How do my teams work together? So these are the challenges. And we are going to discuss how these challenges can be handled in the days to come in my other sessions that you're going to see. So with Google digitization, we do help to present the follow, and we see that the 12 things of digitization, if we can adopt these in organization, you'll be fully digitized and you will see that, or at least to good extent of your organization will be digitized, you'll be making the benefit of it, and that will increase productivity. Digitize, the first thing, digitize all your documents. Have you thought about it? Google has an easy way of doing it, not like the traditional ways. Fast, digitize and search information across the company. Have you thought that whether you can do this? Your data is in different silos. How do you bring all that to make decisions? Data leakage prevention, security becomes the issue. So then how you have to think of that? When you digitize, security becomes the issue. Office digitization, documents, spreadsheets, presentations. How do you do that? Because Google Docs, Sheets, presentations, all are AI inbuilt with things like voice typing, with automatic analysis. I'll show you some of these as we go on. Forms. Think of the amount of forms you have in your office to fill for a day. Get rid of all those and digitize that. That's where Google comes in again. I'll explain that as we go. Collaborate. Get out of the traditional meeting room, getting people from all over the countryside coming in for a meeting, wasting so much of time on the road. Those are challenges. And how video conferencing, Google Meet can do that for you. Record the meetings, less time in taking down minutes and so on. So these are things that you can think of. LMS, e-learning platform. In every organization, you have an HR department, you have learning modules. How do you put all this into one? How do you do evaluations? How do you do tests for staff? So the e-learning platform, we bring you that also together with the digitization. Mobile device management, because all these technologies of the digitization have come in because of the mobile device. And a mobile device is basically something very important. And that is one of the reasons with this mobile technology picking up that we have been able to digitize so fast. And having your digitization moving on to the handset, the mobile, managing it, security on that again becomes important. So let's talk about that, because these are things that are important in a digitized environment. Then, of course, number 9, the digital Jamboard. How do I get rid of this Magiboards, whiteboards, flip charts, and digitize that? Let's talk about it as we go on. How do I get rid of, number 10, how do I get rid of these post-it pads, sticky pads, pieces of paper that you write small information? How long can that information, you write a phone number on a sticky pad and keep, how long can you keep it? It disappears within seconds, or within a couple of hours, you will not be able to trace it. How do I streamline that? How do I digitize that? I'll talk to you. Then, of course, using email, you have your email box cluttered and so much of mail coming in. How do you address this? How do you follow up based on email? How do you use Google Task? How do you use Google chat rooms? How do you create rooms? And how do you have discussions using mail, chat, calendar integrated together? Is something that we'll talk separately. Very interesting topic, and will increase your productivity drastically. And then finally, I like to talk about the workflows. The workflows are going to be very important because you have petty cash, you have so many workflows, payment vouchers. How do you move those onto a platform that everybody can access from their mobile? Give approvals wherever they are. So this is basically what we are going to talk. So these are the 12 things of digitization which we see as a basic requirement for organizations. And if you can achieve this, you will be digitized to a good extent, achieving and being able to embrace this technology, achieving those benefits. What are these benefits? The path to a business transformation is not always clear because you need to see how can I improve my efficiencies, drive innovation within the organization. How do I reduce cost? You have to create the value chain. How do I create value in this? And you do ultimately increase productivity. So this is the value chain that we at FineTech, together with Google Technologies, bring to you. And this is what we are going to talk about in the next session, couple of sessions. How to improve efficiencies, how to drive innovations, how to reduce cost, how to create value, how to increase productivity. So with this, accelerating your workplace, my first session, I'll conclude this. I don't want to make these very long. These are all going to be very short sessions. I'll conclude this, but if you like to get more information or anything you like to know about this, please contact my colleagues. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers here. You could call any of them and they'll be more than happy to give you more information. But looking forward to seeing you in my sessions to come. Thank you and have a nice day. It was really a pleasure talking to all of you, and it's great to be with you, and I'm looking forward to be with you on multiple sessions that we are going to see in the future. Thank you. Have a very nice day.